We take on the walls, we break away, so we don't have to fight. Try me when I'm already falling, but come at me when I have my life in my hands. I ain't gonna beg to regret. I say, how can I say I ever forget? When I'm reminded of multiple lies I have, but I ain't the one arguing with truth. There's one way out. Me trying to leave the tears upbound. Leave the tears upbound. Leave the tears upbound. But I'm reminded of multiple lies I have. Man in a place deep down behind my eyes when I frown, or even when I try to smile, and it's a wild heart. Or am I just the guy trying to find out how much or if I have left? We break away but still take on. Walls fall in silence. Am I moving forward but feel like I'm going backwards? Going backwards. I'm lagging on the romance of love, cause I don't feel like I can ever get it again after it's walked away or I've given up. What the fuck have I done? What the fuck have I done? We take on the walls, we break away, so we don't have to fight. Try me when I'm already falling, but come at me when I have my life in my hands. I ain't gonna beg to regret. I say, how can I say I ever forget? When I'm reminded of multiple lies I have, but I ain't the one arguing with truth. There's one way out. Me trying to leave the tears upbound. Leave the tears upbound. Leave the tears upbound. But I'm reminded of much of a lie I have. We take on the walls, we break away, so we don't have to fight. Try me when I'm already falling, but come at me when I